Hello everyone and welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russell Blank, NEC consultant for EC&M. Check out this raceway run here, this EMT. No clips there, no clips. Looks like there may have been one clip. Couple violations, you see the set screw coupling there. So the lack of clips is a violation of 358.30, not properly supported, and then the wrong type of fittings were used for this wet location. The set screw couplings don't comply with 358.42, and then these wires are all damaged here. These look like maybe Cat 6 cables, and you can see they're all dinged up there, and they need to be protected against physical damage in accordance with 720.6a. So we get several violations with this EMT run and these limited energy cables.